Brought to you by DK Audio.
DK Audio presents Against the Odds, San Francisco Earthquake 1906 by Krista Supernant. Read by Dexter Galang. Mastering Morphology. What is morphology? Morphology is the study of the structure of words. Breaking new words down into smaller parts can help you to understand the word's meaning. As you read and hear more words with the same small parts, you will start to decode and understand these words more quickly. This builds fluency and comprehension, which helps us become lifelong readers. What are base and root words? Base words like play can stand alone. Root words like loc need a prefix or suffix and cannot stand alone. We can add prefixes and suffixes to base and root words to change their meaning. Can you replay that song? I am a soccer player. The family decided to relocate. What are prefixes and suffixes? Prefixes are word parts added to the beginning of words to change their meaning. Un plus happy becomes unhappy, which means not happy. Mid plus night becomes midnight, which means middle of the night. Suffixes are word parts added to the end of words. Suffixes can change a word's meaning in multiple ways. Joy plus full becomes joyful, which means full of joy. Rain plus ed becomes rained, which means the rain already happened. Dog plus s becomes dogs, which means more than one dog. Using word parts to understand new words. In this book, you will come across many words with common prefixes and verb suffixes. To decode a word like this, break the word into its prefix, base, and suffix. Determine the meaning of each of these word parts and put the meanings together. Inter plus rupt plus ed becomes interrupted. Sub plus ject plus ing becomes subjecting. Pre plus dict plus s becomes predicts. Vocabulary list. In this book, you will come across many words with common prefixes and verb suffixes. The prefixes and suffixes you will hear are pre, re, over, sub, inter, con, mid, trans, for, s, ing, n, ed. Here are some of the words you will hear in this book. Convene, a verb which means to come together as a group. Con plus vene. Forearm, a noun which means the part of a person's arm above the wrist and below the elbow. Fore plus arm. Interjects, a verb which means interrupts someone else who is speaking. Inter plus ject plus s. Lessen, a verb which means to reduce. Less plus n. Midway, an adverb which means in the middle of something. Mid plus way. Overlooks, a verb which means fails to notice or to have a view from above. Over plus look plus s. Prejudice, a noun which means an unfair judgment or opinion about a person or group of people. Pre plus judice. Reuniting, a verb which means coming together after a separation. Re plus unite plus ing. Spelling rule. When adding a suffix that begins with a vowel to a base or root word.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?